Grapes are highly nutritious fruit as they are rich in vitamins and antioxidant properties that help to support heart health, brain functions, and lots more. In this video, I will show you how to make a healthy grape banana smoothie alongside its health benefits. So I have some grape over here. I'll just go ahead and detach it from the stem, after which I'll be giving it a quick rinse. So to make this smoothie, I'll be transferring the washed grape into the blender alongside with some diced banana. This will help to add some creaminess to our smoothie. I'll also be adding a teaspoon of chia seed for more nutrients and a drizzle of honey for sweetness. For the liquid base, I'll be making use of milk, but if you choose to use a Greek yogurt or a plain yogurt. But if you don't want a dairy product, you can simply just use water. So just go ahead and cover the blender and allow it to blend properly. So while that's blend, let's talk about some of the health benefits of consuming this amazing smoothie. They are rich in antioxidant properties which help to support heart health and fight oxidative stress. They help to boost energy, making it a perfect pre or post-workout drink. They are rich in fiber which helps to aid digestion, prevent constipation and keep the gut healthy. They are loaded with vitamins which help to boost the overall immunity of the body. They also help to improve blood flow and reduce the risk of heart diseases. There are other health benefits of consuming this amazing smoothie, but this is just to mention a few. So after blending, our rich creamy grape banana smoothie is pretty much ready. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying it out. There are also lots of smoothie recipes available in the channel, so please feel free to check it out. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.